Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with something really cool. This is the Quantum from Shirogorov Knives in a blue anodization edition. We're gonna quickly check this guy out, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the stuff that I'm bringing to you. I mean, this is a pretty cool knife, guys. I've already reviewed this one in the just regular titanium version, not the anodized. So this is going to be just a quick overview of this guy. If you want to know more, you can check out that video as well. I mean, this is the Quantum from Shirogorov Knives. It's just an outstanding knife. Really fantastic. Milling going on is insane. It's a titanium frame block. In this case, it has been anodized in blue. You can also find this guy in bronze. And it adds a little nice touch of color to the scales. There's no anodization going on for the backspacer and for the pocket clip, something like along the lines of this neon zero frag pattern in bronze. You see that only the scales have been anodized and the backspacer and the clip have been left to create some nice contrast, like same thing as in this guy over here. So I mean, this is the Quantum, guys. It's this smooth. Is like this ridiculously smooth. Probably this Quantum here is one of the smoothest that I've tried. I mean, this is like a finger chopper, like something really cool. The anodization is also really nice. If you like blue, man, it's something, yeah, to consider. It's a titanium frame lock, hidden screw for the tip-up carry only pocket clip, full backspacer in titanium. Lanyard hole is integrated with this just awesome design. Simple construction, 2 screws, multi-row bearing system, M390 steel going on in this flat ground. Look, I mean, look at this fuller here, guys. It's just nuts. And the action is, it's this smooth. Like, there's no blade play. Blade's perfectly centered. The machining is out of this world. Like, this milling lines, just ridiculous, guys. If you are into Persian blades, yeah, go for it. Just a ridiculous one, guys. Look at this. Just be careful. Don't try this at home. You can chop your fingers off, but I just happen to love this one. But hey, if you want to know more, you can check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.